And this is Nick again, and we are at the end of a series of videos specifically targeting how to develop a discipline plan for your classroom even before the school year starts. Today, on this video, I will be summarizing all the videos that were presented in this series. Again, sponsored by the Royalty Approach to Education. And also you can go to opsscores.com, opscores.com, to calculate the student's overall performance, which is a program that was developed by the Royalty Approach to Education. You can go to the book patch, thebookpatch.com, or teacherspayteachers.com to see some of my writings. And this is still part one of classroom behavior management, and section A, maintaining discipline in the classroom. The first video was a general introduction, some general plans that you will make as you start the school year. Then we discussed, and I discussed, the different groups that a teacher could meet. You know, you have the well-behaved group, the average ones, and then you have the ones that can give you some real problems. Types of students, again, you have the well-behaved students, you have the average students, you have the problem ones, and then you have the real problem ones. Your mental and physical preparation was the next video. How you can prepare yourself physically and also mentally as you prepare to begin the new school year. Then, meeting teachers. You need to develop some form of confidential relationship with a limited number of teachers. Could be one, it could be more than one, but not too many, because you want to make sure these are teachers. This is a teacher of confidence, somebody in whom you can confide, you can trust, in terms of discussing with them issues of classroom behavior. The same thing goes for administrators. As you meet the administrators, you have to understand that they have a very, very important role in helping you with anything that relates to classroom discipline. Then we spoke about the physical appearance, preparing the classroom, placing things and students in the right places, and also understanding that whatever place you place them, whatever place you put them, there's a good chance that you might have to change them throughout the school year, but you have to be flexible enough to prepare yourself for that. Then we talked about the do's and the don'ts. Do's and the don'ts in classroom discipline, in preparation for classroom discipline. The things you should absolutely do and those things that you should avoid. Generally speaking, at the beginning of the school year, you want to make sure that you don't start your classes with students in groups. You want to make sure that you have control of your classes first, and that is best done by separating the students into individual rows at first, until you are pretty much aware of the level of behavior that they're capable of exhibiting, and little by little you can begin to get them in groups, changing them around. Content preparation, I will be talking more about content preparation in other areas that might not necessarily be related to discipline. But in this aspect of preparation, it's just that if you're well prepared, it reduces problems. That's all. If you're well prepared, it reduces problems. Then you have the professional development days. Many school districts you get at least 2 days before school actually starts. And this is your last chance to prepare, last chance to get things together and well prepared. And then you will eventually receive a roster of your students. And in this particular video, I divided it into teachers who are returning to the school or completely new teachers who are absolutely new, either to teaching or to that school. Now you have your list. It's time for some action, and good luck. So this is the end of a series of videos that focused on preparing yourself in terms of discipline for your classes before the school year starts. The next set of videos will take it from this point and place you into your first day at school, the first day at work and teaching in the classroom, and we will take it from that point on. Thank you. This is Nick.